Okay, so to add the new error module, you need to remove screws. We have one here and one here, and that one over there, and here's another one, and we have another one here, and 3 here. So altogether you need to remove 8 screws. Once all the screws are removed, so you need to start from the top side. Here you see a small slit here. You can put something in and then start to separate these two things. So let me show you. I'm putting a small screwdriver here and then starting to so it's already coming out, and then you need to pry around the laptop, especially in this side. So you don't really need to pry all around, but you just need to pry the this side, the back side. Just be careful not to damage anything. So best thing is to use the one of the prime plastic sheets, so you don't hit the any internal circuits. So that's done. So I think some screws are not really loosened. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's locate the battery attachment. Okay, I think here you have the place where the battery is attached to the motherboard. So it has this small thingy to lift it up. So let's see. Yeah, okay. So now we have successfully disconnected the this one. So it was here and now we lifted it. So now we have successfully disconnected it, and you can see right now the second memory bank. So this is the first memory bank which is already installed, and we have this empty one. Just get this one, and it goes the other way around. Place it, push it. No, it's not automatically going. Something is not right. Okay, yeah, so it's done, and then I'm plugging the battery pack. Okay, and then again, I'm going to go files and see something different. So it's all should not take that much time. So I did something not really right, and I'm turning a report like that. Which I oh, it's so something not really right there. Oh, I see 16 GB RAM. DMA, this one, both RAM are same speed, so all good. Yeah, that's it then.